Okay, 40mm shotgun airsoft adapter. It's a pain to get into some of these launchers, but they don't all use the same retention system. So just get that in there. On the M203 style, like underbarrel launcher like this, for the M16, it sticks in there fairly well. Got two different shotgun shells here. They're both gold, but you see one's brown, one's black. They have slightly different diameters. This is the smaller one. Pops in there, close. Open that out, drop the shell, new shell in. Drop the shell. Shells you can get in like 5-packs for I think as little as like $50 Canadian. So way more than buying like a bunch of way less expensive than a bunch of 40mm shells. And of course these only shoot 6 BBs or 3 BBs or however many you choose to load. There's a few different types. And yeah, that's it.